Proyekto nito ay EPP, MRC, Music, English, Araling Panlipunan, Filipino, Physical Education, Arts, Mathematics, Health, ng papel, pangatlong papel, ang aking pencil case, aking ruler, aking pangkulay, aking correction, pulbo, pabango, gunting, aking glue tape, pantasak, glue stick. Tapos na po ang ating video. Mag-ingat po tayo sa ulan.